All right, so y'all, this is a homework question out of 2.4. This is problem number 5. And it says the ages and range of a random sample of shop orders at a gaming store are shown. Determine the range, the mean, the variance, standard deviation of the sample set. So just to give you a heads up, y'all, what I did here, let me clear this out, is I went ahead to my calculator and I entered all those numbers in. Okay, so all my numbers are there. Let's go ahead and stat. Let's go to calculate. We're going to do our one variable stats for my list 1. Okay, so y'all, I think the first thing it asks us to do is to find the range. So remember, the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. Right here, where it says max 23 and minimum 12. So y'all, want to come back over here. So my max is 23. Our minimum is 12. So our range, y'all, should be 11, which we got. Okay, let's see if we can find our mean. So our mean is right here at the very top, the X bar, 16.8. So my mean, 16.8. Okay, so now, y'all, since we are talking about here, random sample shoppers, okay? So we're gonna find our variance. So remember, y'all, sorry, let me come back. Remember, my variance is my sample deviation squared. So this stands for my variance. And this stands for my sample standard deviation, okay? Now, the reason I'm using that one, y'all, is because we are talking about a sample here, okay? So let's come back to my calculator again. Let me get my calculator going here. And so my S, y'all, is 3.52. Okay, so sorry, I'm gonna take 3.52, that's my standard deviation, my sample standard deviation. I'm gonna square it to get my variance. So 12.39, and I think they're probably asking us to round here a little bit. So we came up with 12.39, y'all. Right here, I'm gonna put 12.4. And then again, our sample standard deviation, y'all, was just 3.52, probably 3.5, because they're probably, again, gonna ask us to round to 1 decimal place. So my variance is S squared, and all I did is take that number and squared it. And for my standard deviation, again, just the 3.5. Y'all got any questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.